Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Up on my screen right now I have this beautiful image shot by Tianna Williams, and I'm going to show you how you can add some gorgeous floral overlays using the white and neutral floral overlay pack from LSP Actions. There are so many botanical packs to choose from, and this is a video tutorial showing you the whites, but you can go on the website and check out the tutorials for all the botanicals. So in tutorial number 1 I showed you how to install and get started with the actions. You can also apply manually by hand, literally just by dragging and dropping. Let me show you how to get started with that. You can literally select any one of these and you can drag and drop onto your image and just resize to fit. So I've just dropped these pretty white magnolias. Boom, done. And you can apply it with the actions as well. I'm going to apply some petal overlays. We have some white petals in here, the magnolias. These come complementary with your download. Let's just add some beautiful pooling petals. I'm going to add the blur paint to these petals and just slide that up. Okay. The black brush has already been selected, so I'm just going to take this off some of the petals. So some remain in focus and some remain blurred. You can add a layer mask with the black brush and just remove any petals completely that are over your subject if you wanted to. Let's add another one of the petal overlays just to add even more movement to this beautiful image. Just scaling them to size. I'm going to add a layer mask, and with the black brush selected I'm just going to paint this off. And there we go, before and after. 2-minute edit, if that. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So let's add another one. Let's add something completely different from the white set. How about we add Golden Scene Tool? Just going to drag and drop this in. Oh, I've still got a rogue petal there, I've noticed. And there we go, completely different. So we have this one, or we have this. 2 entirely different looks, all from the same pack. Let's go for one more, just because it's so much fun and it's so beautiful to play with. How about we go for the climbers? This is something completely different. This is going to add that beautiful green pop and whites to your image. And there we go. Completely different. Gorgeous. I could play with these all day. In fact, I have been. So I hope you love these. You can find the full tutorials on the LSP Actions website, lsp-actions.com, video tutorial library, click on Overlays, Botanicals, and you'll find all the tutorials. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.